Doing a soft pink ombre with a simple flower accent is classy, it's wearable, and it's something you can definitely wear to work or dinner. My nails are already prepped off camera, so I'm going straight into my OPI Gelevate extensions and solid glue. I like to apply a thin strip of glue on both sides of the tip and a small dot in the center. I place my extensions right at the cuticle for a seamless look. I press the nail at a 45-degree angle and gently press until the glue reaches the free edge. I fast cure for about 15 seconds and then I will repeat the same process on the remainder of the nails. All nails are on, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. These Gelevate tips are one of my favorite because I like doing my nails after work and they don't require a lot of prep. As you can tell, the cuticle area is super thin, so they blend in really nicely. There's no need for drill or acetone because these are micro etched inside and out. A little file just to remove the tiny plastic tip. I'm using this gradient palette from Amazon. The paint sticks really well and gives nice coverage. I'm applying the pink right in the center of the nail where you can see my natural nail underneath. Then I'm going to take the pointed side of this makeup wedge and blend the color down toward the cuticle. Don't worry about getting paint on your skin. We will clean that up later. Right now I am focusing on making the color even and smooth. I flip the sponge and use the wider side to blend the whole nail at once. We're going to continue the process and do it on the remainder of the nails. Just remember, just pat, pat, pat until it looks soft. My little trick is blending the pink slightly past my natural nail so it fades nicely once we add the white. Now I'm going in with a clean sponge and adding white at the tip. I'm starting at the tip and blending it down into the pink. I'm just patting out some of the white I added to the other fingers. Now I go back and forth with the pink and the white until the fade looks really soft. So I'll tap a little white at the tip and then go back in with a little pink to blend, and I just keep building it slowly. I'm not trying to get it perfect in one pass. I rather do light layers so it doesn't get patchy or thick. These bigger makeup wedges are easier than the tiny square ones. They cover more of the nail and make blending faster. I'm taking an angled brush with a little acetone and cleaning up around my fingers. Just make sure you clean up any paint on your skin before curing. You don't want to lock that coloring around your cuticle. It's not safe to cure products directly on your skin. This nail is getting a simple flower accent. I'm applying blooming gel and then placing 5 dots for the petals. After placing the dots, I'm going to let it spread for a few seconds, and once I like how it looks, I will cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm adding top coat to all the nails. This is where everything really starts to look glossy and finished. After top coat is complete, I will cure for additional 60 seconds. For the center of the flower, I'm adding a few gold caviar beads and then one last cure for 60 seconds. And that's the finished set. Soft, classy, and a little eye-catching. This is one of those sets you can wear anywhere, work, dinner, every day. If you like classy nails with a little sparkle, make sure you subscribe. I post twice a week. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.